So over here, you can see that I have these two objects right here in 3D space in a composite shot right here. And you can see that I have a light over here. So what you can also do is when the light is on, you can turn shadows on and off. But to do that, what you need to do is you need to go around onto the layer properties right here and enable so that the layer throws out the shadows and the other layer accepts out the shadows. So to do that, you need to go around and expand this right here. And over here, you can see that this is the layer over here in the front right here. This is the layer that you see just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and make sure that this particular layer throws out the shadows. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and expand this. And over here, you can go around onto material. And over here, you can see that cast shadows is an option over here. Receive shadows is on and cast shadows is turned off. And that is exactly why you don't see the shadows. But as long as I go around and turn this on, what happens is that this will now cast out the shadows right here. If I were to go around over here on the material section right here, you can see that receive shadows is turned on over here just like this right now right here. And now what you also need to do is you need to go around onto light right here and go around onto the light properties right here and then click on cast shadows right here just like this. So once you do that, what happens is that you see the shadow over here behind. So now if I were to go around and move out the light, you can see that there's the shadow right here. Let me just go around and move out the light right here. There's the shadow being casted out right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here and let's say, for example, create a new, let's say, for example, a text layer right here, just like this. So this is the text layer, and I'm just going to go around and say tutor tube right here, just like this. So this is what I have. And then you can see that I can go around onto the text, and I'm going to go around and select out text right here. So let's just go around and select out impact right here, just like this. And this is what you have right here. So now if I were to go around and then expand this out, so let's just go around over here and go around under controls and then expand this out right here. So let's just go around and scale it out. So this is what you have, as you can see. You can go around and make sure that the text throws out the shadows as well. So I'm going to go around onto the text right here, just like this, and then expand this out and then go around over here under transform. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and make sure that this is the 3D layer first. So you do need to do that right here. And once you go around and do that, you get the material option and you can cast around the shadows over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have, as you can see. But you can see that the object in the front right here is not actually receiving shadows right here. So you can see that this is there. And you can see that it is casting out the shadows over here. So now you can see that this is the particular object right here. So yeah, it is receiving shadows as well, but you can go around and turn it off as well so that the object does not receive out the shadows right here. So you can make sure that some object receive out the shadows right here while others don't right here, just like this as well. So I'm just going to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, receive out shadows right here. Then you see the shadow over here just like this as well. So you can see the shadow on this object as well, just like this. So you can go around, move it back and forth right here, and there you got the shadow. What you can also do is you can go around and copy out the light right here. So let me just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here. I can move this around so you get a double shadow just like in a studio as well, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and then change around the intensity, and this is what you have, as you can see, just like this as well. So that is what you have. You got the cast shadow option right here, just like this, and then you can go around onto the other light as well, and you can move it around over here just like this as well. So this is what you have. And if I were to go around onto this particular shadow right here, let me just go around and delete this so that I can just go around and restart out the position, and you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go around onto the light right here and move this out right here. So you got double shadows right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here onto light and decrease out the intensity a bit right here. And on this light as well, let me just go around onto light and then decrease out the intensity right here, just like this. And you can start seeing two shadows over here behind, as you can see right here. So similarly, if I were to go around, you can see that there's this shadow and this shadow right here, just like in a studio setting. So that is how you can turn the shadows on and off inside of layers in HitFilm, and also turn the shadows on and off in lights inside of HitFilm in 3D composition. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.